there, CNC Zone. I'm from Brazil and I'm facing some difficulties to assemble my first CNC. It's a CNC hobby. Please don't attempt my bedroom messed up. So much mess here. Okay, let's go. I just turned on my TB6560 driver controller and the 3-axis LEDs are lighted on, and I think it is normal because there's no work here and the lights are on, so perhaps something gets wrong. This is my 24 volt supply and 3 NEMA 23 motors, stepper motors. This is the trademark Astrocene. I don't know if my camera can focus. Okay, this is the model and I'm facing some problems. Let's do some testing. I'm gonna turn it on my energy supply, set it to 18 volts as the minimum value I can set in the energy supplier. My stepper motors are getting and noisy too. I don't know if you can hear the noisy. Some vibration can be noted here too, but they just don't move any move. They get heady and don't move. Now I'm gonna load the G code, start cycle. The software is working properly, set it properly. All the pins and ports was configured before, following the tutorial available on the internet, but my motors still the same, getting hot, no movement. My driver get all the LEDs on. As you can see, the 3 axes are getting movement, but the motors still the same. Here's the deep sweep configuration that I've chosen to do this test. I've set current set for a half, the guide settings a half too, and a half micro step settings too. I need help. I really need help.